I'm gonna go ahead and weld this wrench right here. Oh, fucking shit, it is like. Are you motherfucking kidding? It's a fucking mess in here, man. What's up, y'all? What's today, babe? Friday, 10th. Check it out. I got this bitch fitted on. I gotta put some screws here. I can't even see. And then the rivets. So you gotta drill a hole. Boom, 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 boom. Easy as shit. Still gotta fix that. Shit. I'm gonna put a screw in. Right next to it, I'm gonna put a rivet. And where the screw it was, I'm gonna take it off. And then I'm gonna put a rivet on. Baby. Yeah, there it goes. Gotta go up here. This fucking bed is so light. I'm gonna use this tiny drill bit to drill a hole. And then I'll screw this on. The reason for that is because I'm pretty fucking bad at screwing these on. So, yeah. Oh well. Now that it's in place, I'm gonna drill a hole here and here, and then put the rivet on or in. God damn it! Focus, dumbass. Whatever. It's these. They're aluminum. And then when I put them in, I'm gonna take these out and put one here and here, where the screw was.
With like a million others.
Rivet gun, I got it from China Freight. I think it was like $20. And it has all these tips of sizes. It's nothing too fancy. Right, babe? All you do is you just insert it right here. If it's not gonna focus, I'm not doing a fucking video. Okay? I'm fucking tired of this shit. Like that. Like that. Okay. All you do is put it in, crank it. You don't crank it, you just squeeze it. Squeeze it. Why didn't it cut off? It's a big fail. Why is it doing that? This is the ghetto shit you do not buy. Stay fucking away from it, please. Can you give me some dikes? It's still in. It works. It's supposed to cut this damn little dick off, but it's not doing it. If it don't come off, you can just use these dikes and put them right here. Just clip them off. You know, like when you clip your toenails, that's what you do. We're just taking this screw off and just put another one in. But it's too big, remember? So you just use the other one. That one. Do it a little bit bigger. Boom, like that. Then you just repeat the process. Put the bitch in there. Make sure you're pressing it down all the way. If not, it's gonna be loose. There you go, that one broke off. That's what we want right there. That's how it should look. Just like that. Now I'm gonna repeat the process for the rest of the whole entire bed. Should take like maybe an hour or less. Depends. So how rivets work, you push the lever to like tighten it up, and then like, I don't know how it actually works, but it like inflates the other side, so it'd be like glued together, or you know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest, and well, actually my plan is to paint right here first. Put it on the truck and paint the rest. You know, with clear coat and all that. So, yeah, and I'm not the only one that did all this work, by the way. I didn't even get to record last night, but my buddy helped me take the skin off, take the bed off, and I waited to put rivets on for today so I can record it. It was already late at night, so we just went home. And yep. So my plan is to paint it today and hopefully be ready by tomorrow. And I got this from Ford directly, and they put, I think this is sealer, and they just did a shitty fucking job. Look at that. I don't like that, but oh well, that's what we got. That's what we're working with. And yep. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish the rest, and I'll show y'all what it looks like afterwards. Bro, I was literally just at the hardware store to get these drill bits, so I'm gonna have to go back and fucking get some more. I'm running out. Yeah. Fuck. I still got like shit. Like maybe like 20 more rivets to go. So I'm not gonna make it. But yeah, check this out. That's what you want. This is what you want all around. Nice, clean results. It's not going anywhere. Hey, what's up, y'all? Just got done installing the bed skin. Came out pretty damn solid, man. Considering it being my first time installing an aluminum bed, I'm pretty happy how it came out. I did the over here by the tail lights, by the wheel well, all done. This section over here, and the inner part of the bed is done. And damn, I have a big fucking mess everywhere. I do still have to do some minor repairs to this bumper right here. I think it's that side over there, just the scrapes. I'm gonna go ahead and sand down the the flare for the wheel. And I forgot I do need to bring the truck in and take the stuck bolts on, because obviously I can't put it on with those being there. If not, I'd probably poke a fucking hole on the floor of the bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it in and show you what it looks like. And yeah, it does look like shit, I'm not gonna lie. So I hope it does not take me long to fucking take it off. Take them off, I think it's 3. But I've already put some P-Blaster on it, so that way they should be able to come out pretty damn easy. So let's just see. Here's what those bolts look like. So apparently it's the 2 back ones do have somewhere to get. Well, not even, because they're welded on there, so it's useless. So they were stuck on there. I don't know why they're stuck on there so fucking hard. That one's out. That one's out. That one's out. And it's that one right there and that one. So I got 3 bolts to take out. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna try to put a wrench over it and take them out or something, man. I don't know. I do know I need to take them out today, now, before I do any painting or anything else. So this is my priority right now, and see if we can get them out. I'm gonna go ahead and weld this wrench right here. Fits damn near perfectly there. Weld it up, because you already know I'm a badass welder, so this shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, I know I'm sacrificing another fucking tool for this shit. Fuck it. Alright, y'all. Got the Supreme welds on there. Still fucking hot. Oh, fucking shit, it is hot. Dumbass. Hopefully it comes off, man. Alright. Let's see. Will it fucking come off? Will it break? What's gonna happen? Come on, please. Are you motherfucking kidding me? Yeah, I don't know what the fuck. Shit, I think I got it, y'all. Wait. When it turns around, it better not fucking hit over here, bro. I swear to God. Hold on. Fuck. Alright, so shit, I finally got it fucking loose. Look at that. Class A welds. You don't get those welds anywhere, man. I've searched everywhere. You usually don't get those anywhere. Anyway, I'm gonna have to cut about right here. Somewhere right there so I can spin it around. It's gonna hit the cabin. I don't want to damage it. Yeah, Zerskis. Got a trusty Matco grinder here, 3M disc. Let's go ahead and hit this bitch up. Take it off. Do the rest. All right, let's go. Right. All that time, take this fucking bolt out. Finally. Damn, dude. I don't know why the fuck it was under that tight. Alright, here's the driver's side. See if it works. There's no reason for it to be that fucking tight, man. It's loose. Alright, y'all, so I got one out, two out. But this one is not going to come off. There's a reason for that. So when we were trying to loosen it up with the half-inch impact, it actually had so much torque that it busted the welds on the bolt that's in the actual frame. So that is not going to come off. You know, and I could try to weld it there, but I already know it's not gonna work, and I'm gonna end up welding the actual bolt more, and it's just a bad situation, man. So look, that whole bolt is spinning in there. I mean, the nut is spinning in there. I don't know why they come so fucking torqued down, man. Like, it's crazy. I don't know if it's just this truck. Or are they all like that? I don't know. But best I can do on this one, unfortunately, I'm going to have to cut it out even and not put a bolt there. As of covering up the hole on the truck, I could try to find a grommet to make it fit there. Oh, that way you just won't have a hole there, just in case they put something on the bed and, you know, shit can happen like that. So yeah, it sucks, but it's part of the situation we have here, and shit, all other bolts would go in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other bolts will go in, just one will not. So fuck it, gotta do what you gotta do, Other than that, the bed is in, or the skin is on. Everything's looking perfect how I want it to. No complaints. Pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and even that thing out. Well, cut that off. pull this out and start sanding for paint here. Start repairing that bumper over there and prep this flare. Yes, Erskies. Thank you so much to my welding machine. My wife bought it for me. She's so damn sexy. I'll put y'all back on in a bit. There it is, y'all. Completely cut and grinded down. So it shouldn't be in the way of us installing the bed later on. And I am going to coat this with some undercoat just so it won't rust over time. Even where I put the ground for the welder, so yeah, we don't want it to rust. It's a fucking mess in here, man. Look at all that shit over there. I'll go ahead and clean before I do any more work on this truck. Simply because it's getting me fucking anxiety of shit being everywhere, so. Yes, Erskies. What's up, y'all? I just wanted to get on here and say that I fucking ran out of paint. Yeah, that's the story of my fucking life. What time is it? 9:50. Fuck, man. I've been at it all fucking day just for it to not be fucking painted. Check that out. Yes, it does look tighter stripe, but once I put the last color, it's not gonna be like that. So, yeah, there was no fucking way in hell I was gonna make it. Fuck, man. Oh, man. Fuck. Fuck it, man. Gotta wait till Monday. And you know what? I was supposed to start working on that orange truck tomorrow, finally. But this has to stay in here, so. Fuck it, man. I guess I have a weekend off. I'll check y'all out later, man. Deuces. Piece of shit.